Hello, this is Scholar Strive doing some math today in geometry. We're going to be looking at proportionality theorems. So this first one, let me just finish drawing this picture here. So if a line is parallel to one side of the triangle and intersects the other two sides, so here's that line there, line DE is parallel to AC and it's intersecting two sides. Then the line divides the other two sides proportionally. So what does that mean? So if DE is parallel to AC, then BD, the length of BD, why can't I write a B? There we go. Over the length of DA is equal to BE over EC. So 3, 9, 5, 15. And then the converse, which means going backwards here, if the two sides are split proportionally, then the lines are parallel. So just working backwards. And this one they just called theorem 6.6. No name for it. But basically, if three or more parallel lines are intersected by two transversals, so we got three parallel lines, and they're cut by two transversals, let's call this A, D, E, F, C, B. That means AB over BC is equal to DE over EF, or AB over DE is going to BC. Wait, this is the same thing. Oh no, it's not. EF. And then lastly, if a ray bisects one angle of a triangle, so this angle is congruent to that angle, then the ray will divide the opposite side of the triangle in the segments whose lengths are proportional to the sides adjacent to that segment. So AB, A, B, C, D. So AB over AD is equal to BC over CD, or BA equals BC, or BA over BC equals AD over CD. So you might want to remember these formulas or understand the wording, however way you want to look at it. Let's do some examples. So use the diagram to find the length of QU. What is this? Sorry, need to fix this. Pause. Alright, back to example 1. Use the diagram to find the length of QU. Okay, so they tell us that QS is parallel to the third side there, or the bottom side. So that means these sides get split up proportionally. So that means left over left, so 10 over x, let's call this x, is equal to right over right, 12 over 6. So I'll get 60 equals 12x, divide by 12 to both sides, x equals 5. Okay, I don't know why that appeared, but this is number 1, checkpoint. This is checkpoint 1A. Find the length of KL. So same thing. I'm going to do top over top. Call this x. So x over 18 is equal to 44 over 24. Bottom and bottom. So 24x equals 492. Wait, no, 792. Divide by 24, and we'll get KL being 33. So now they ask us, is QT parallel to RS? Now obviously by the picture, if you're just looking at the picture, then you can obviously say no. But we need to prove this mathematically. If they are parallel, that means 18 over 38, the top side should be equal to the bottom side, 36 over 80. Are these equal? If I reduce this, this becomes 9 over 19, and this becomes 18 over, or this becomes 9 over 20, and those are not the same. So no, QT is not parallel to RS. A farmer's land is being divided to construct a new interstate highway. Find the distance, so the length of AC. So they want to find this distance here, from the north border of the farmer's land to the south border of his land. The length is shown in meters. So they show that these lines are parallel by these arrowheads here, and there's two transversals, this vertical road and then this diagonal road here. So what that means is AB over BC is equal to FE over ED. So basically we're just doing that whole same thing that we've been doing. So look at this triangle here, and then we have something that splits it. So if you look at A, E, B, C, and D. This one's 2,500. This is 3,000. This is 2,000. So just like before, it's just being split up proportionally. So 2,000 over X, or BC in this case, because we're looking for the total, is equal to 2,500 over 3,000. Do your cross multiplication. We'll get 2,500 BC is equal to 6 million divided by 2,500, and we'll get BC equals 2,400. So the length of AC is 2,400 plus our 2,000 for a grand total of 4,400. Meters. Okay, so whenever I see this type of problem, I like to think create my proportion like this. Left side over the left half equals the right side over the right half. So this piece here, so if the whole piece is 14 and that piece is x, then GF is 14 minus x. Okay, so now we're going to do our cross multiplication. So 8 times 14 minus x equals 12x. Distribute to get 112 minus 8x equals 12x. I'm going to add 8x over. So I'll get 112 equals 20x. Divide by 20. X equals 5.6. So that is x. And that's what we were looking for. If we wanted to know the length of GF, we would take 14 minus x. Alright, find the length of AB. Okay. So this is what's going on. 24 over 32 is equal to 27 over x. Now you can create this, you can create different proportions and you should get the same answer. He could have done 24 over 27 equals 32 over x. I just did top left over top right equals bottom left over bottom right. Just make sure you keep a particular order. And what we have here, cross multiplication, 24x equals 864, divide by 24, 36 for our AB here. Part B, okay. What are we looking for? We're looking for AB, so I'll call this x. So I'm going to say x over 1 equals square root of 2 over 1. So x equals square root of 2. Hopefully this helped you out. Have a good day.